Clipchamp Video Editor for Windows PC. Your go-to video editor is now available as an app for Windows PC. Simply add stock video audio from our library or upload your own to get started. The easy video editor for Windows PC. Simply head to the Microsoft Store, install our web app and start creating your video projects. Whether you are creating a quick clip or a professional video masterpiece on Windows, our features have you covered. Explore our video editing software for Windows and you'll be wowing your viewers with professional quality videos in no time. How to edit videos and use our Windows PC Video Editor app. 1. Find the Clipchamp app in the Windows Store. 2. Login or create a Clipchamp account. 3. Start editing with your Clipchamp app. 4. Open Clipchamp with the shortcut in your. Enjoy easy video editing on Windows PC. That's it. 4 simple steps are all you need to install and use our new Windows PC app. Enjoy creating video projects on your Windows device. Start creating videos with our Windows PC Video Editor app.